The demand for new data centers continues across the country, with an especially high concentration in California's Silicon Valley. Bigge's Northern California Mobile Crane Division, which specializes in operated and maintained crane rental service, is frequently called upon to successfully deploy components crucial to uninterrupted operation. In collaboration with our customer, we devised an approach to an installation in Santa Clara, California, which presented a unique set of challenges. To hoist cooling equipment vital to the data center's operation, Bigge provided a Manitowoc MLC300 crawler crane. Outfitted with 137 feet of main boom and 137 feet of luffing jib, carrying 386,000 pounds of counterweight. Chillers weighing 50,000 pounds were rigged and hoisted 110 feet to the rooftop and set at a radius of 135 feet. Bigge's crew performed additional lifts consisting of steel beams and bundles of piping needed to mount and connect the chillers. The MLC300 delivered the right blend of lifting power and reach in the limited space afforded by the location. Although overhead electrical lines were de-energized during operations, they constrained the vertical space and required an extra level of precision to complete this series of lifts safely. Along with the experience of our operators and rigging crews, Bigge again provided a combination that enabled flawless execution of the work. Contact Bigge to learn more.